Hi guys, welcome back. It's been a while. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna install a front universal lip on my Toyota Yaris. Come and join me. Alright, since this is a universal lip, so it's not made for Toyota, so we need to measure it properly to get the right fitment. So what we need to do is remove this front bumper. There's a couple of fasteners underneath. Let's begin. There you go guys, just like that. Front bumper is already removed. Give it a little bit of wipe underneath. I'm planning to paint the front lip spoiler to a flat black finish. So I'm also gonna tape this off. Just not to have an overspray to the paint job of the car. Just like that guys, masking tape is all over the bumper now. Let's start fitting the lip and see how it goes. I'm done trial fitting it heaps of times. Now I'm already happy with how it looks. So next step is I'm gonna put some double-sided tape underneath. Then I'm gonna put the lip and I also gonna screw it in to fasten it in place, and hopefully it won't fall apart. As we all know, it's a universal lip. It's not basically meant for Toyota Yaris. Just finding some ways to make it fit properly and hope it won't fall apart. There you go guys, just like that. Universal lip fully installed, fitted, painted in flat black, same as with the garnish of my fog lights. installed. So there you go, guys. Just finished installing my Toyota Yaris front universal lip. Once again, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe. See you next time. Peace out.